Okay, let's take a look at example 1 of our area 6, which deals with radicals and exponents. So this, my students struggle with this, and I don't understand why. So let's see how um, we can make this easy for you guys. Now, you can pause, of course, and see if you can figure this one out yourself. But for most of the problems, you're going to see a clue. They've given you s squared here, and they give you s to the power negative 4 here. So as you can tell, they are related. But the best way to get them properly related is to make this to the power 4 also. And then finally, you can figure some things out. So here, they want me to find the value of x to the power 4, given that s squared is equal to 0.1. So what I'll do is, okay, let's say if I square this side here, right? That will be the same as also squaring this 0.1 also. That means this 0.1 also squared. So x to the power 2 or to the power 2 will be x to the power 4. And 0.1 squared is 0.01. I mean, I think that you guys should be able to see that. And then the bottom line here is what the relationship between this and that. I know for sure, when I have any number to the a over 1 over a is always can be written as 1 to the power negative 1. So that means x to the 4, that means a to the power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over a. So obviously x to the power negative 4 is equal to 1 over x to the power 4, right? So if I flip this, that take the reciprocal of this, so if I do 1 over x to the power 4, that will be the same thing as x to the power negative 4, and that will be equal to 1 over 0.01. So the question is, what is 1 over 0.01? Now, you know for sure 1 over 0.01 is the same thing as, whenever you want to divide a number and the number has decimal, the smart thing is to force that number to become a whole number. So I'm going to say, well, this is the same thing as, I'm going to move this to one decimal place, and that becomes 0.1. And that means I have to add 0 to this to become 10. And then this is the same thing as, now move this one to this decimal place, and that becomes divided by 1. And then I have to add 0 to it to become 100. So this is 100 over 1, which is equal to 100. So this is how you find a solution to this problem. Hopefully you guys will not get confused of this, but always keep your eye on relationship. The whole question, they're going to try to find a way to get you to connect this one to this, so you kind of compare them in that manner.